Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a bit of a different advent calendar to share with you. It's not different as in the products I'm about to show you. It's a beauty advent calendar, but it's from a website up until about a week or two ago I'd never heard of before. This is Hogies beauty advent calendar for 2024. It retails for £60 and it is worth over £300. If you sign up to the newsletter, you're able to get 10% off, which is what I did, which brought it down to £54. The reason I came across it is because one of my lovely subscribers messaged me to let me know about this advent calendar. She'd heard me speak about me wanting to share with you like a range of different priced advent calendars, and she suggested this one. As I'd never heard of them before, I had to do some research. What is this website like? What type of products am I going to receive? Well, to cut a long story short, if you love TK Maxx, you're going to love this advent calendar. But I looked into the background of this website. I looked at Trustpilot reviews, independent reviews. They're a well-respected UK beauty website. And just like TK Maxx, they're able to work with brands to provide them with discounted products. These products could be end of line, like discontinued, or they could be bought like in a big massive batch to save money that way. So all the products that are featured on their website, which you can purchase, they're heavily discounted. For instance, I'll just show you something. They've got an offer on the first page for the Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. You can get that palette plus a little mini Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is a free gift. It's worth over £67 altogether. You can get both palettes for £19.99. See? So, oh, and there's their advent calendar there. There's loads and loads of top brands there. You've got Urban Decay Naked 3 eyeshadow palette. Retails for £50. You can get it for £26 here. So anyway, I don't want to go on and on for too long because obviously you want to see what's inside this calendar. But I just thought, just like me, there's going to be a load of you out there that are like, well, what the heck is Hogies? I would say very similar to TK Maxx. If you're interested in this advent calendar for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description. And down there, you'll see all my discount codes and offers to other websites, including some advent calendars that are available to purchase now. So yeah, you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's get on to unboxing this advent calendar then. I've got to say there's free shipping over £25, so obviously you get free shipping, and it contains 15 full sizes. It's one of these traditional type advent calendars where you have to poke your finger in. Right then, day number 1 down the bottom here, we've got Merci Handy. This is a hand cleansing gel and it's in Glitter Fever and it's 30 mils here. I remember my daughter became obsessed with these. We used to get them in beauty boxes and I haven't seen them for a while. They're just a hand sanitizing gel basically, but this one is obviously got some glitter. Are you able to see? Yeah. Sanitize my hand, ready for testing products out. Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, you can see it subtly. Yeah, very subtle. It smells really lovely. Hand cleansing gel with natural alcohol origin and aloe vera. It's got cleansing gel. Day number 2 down here. And we have got L'Oreal, and this is Le Col by Superliner. It's Midnight Black. So it's an eyeliner. There. It's a good pigment. It's got an eyeliner. Day number 3 up here. We've got Urban Decay, and this is a Vice lipstick. It's high impact vegan lipstick in shade 714 matte. It says high impact colour, lightweight, soft matte finish, vibrant colour, full coverage in a single swipe. I'm actually wearing the Vice liquid lipstick today. In this video. Where is it? There, that's my one. I love it. Just show you. If you're interested in seeing what I'm wearing, I absolutely blimmin' love it. And that is shade PDA. If you're interested in what I'm wearing. Wow, look at that. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Really nice and bright. Yeah, I love that. It's got lipstick from Urban Decay. Day number 4 up here. We've got Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. This is a vitamin C serum and there's 10 mils there. No, there's no information about it. Ooh. See there. I have never tried any products from Kylie Jenner. Let me know what you think if any of you have tried it. So yeah, we've got a vitamin C serum there. Day number 5. Oh, we got a mirror. Claritude is in it for the long haul. I'm confused. I got a little pouch and then that came out. And I've tried peeling this back, but it doesn't want to peel. I'll try again. It is a mirror. Oh, it's fine now. I've got it. I got it. There, you can see my camera. And you can see me, my side mirror. So I've got a little mirror there. Day number 6 here. Got a full size Dr. Paw Paw. This is a tinted peach pink balm. Multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishing with a hint of a tint. It's fragrance free, cruelty free and vegan. There's 25 mils there. What is interesting is I can see through this completely and is literally half full. Mind you, it is a big tube for 25 mils, isn't it? So it's obviously more packaging than product. But yeah, I can see it through the lighting here because I'm filming at night. I can see it clearly. But yeah, tinted balm hydrates, adds colour to lips and cheeks. I prefer the original one. We used to see it a lot in beauty boxes, but we're seeing more like coloured ones now, tinted ones, and ones with hyaluronic acid, I think. The yellow original clear one is just so good for like cuticles, for your hair, skin. So yeah, that's a pretty shade. So it's more cosmetic, this one. So there's that. Day number 7 down here. We got Giorgio Armani. And this is Lip Maestro Intense Velvet Colour in 40. I love these moussey formula ones. Oh, wow. I have got one of these. I don't know if it's the same shade though. I can't remember where I got it. Maybe an advent calendar. That is just stunning. I love that. Proper blood red. Oh, I love it. We've had a matte and a liquid, but they're both red. It would have been nice if we had a bit of a different colour. Maybe they thought, because people like different things, keep it red because it's Christmas. Maybe that was why. Day number 8 up here. Oh, we got an eyeshadow primer potion. There's 10 mils here. Ooh, can you see? It's wrapped up. Let me open it up. It's a really, really good primer. Look. Yeah, no, really happy with this. Can you see? And you just tap it in, blend it all over, and it just creates a really great base for eyeshadow on top. It intensifies eyeshadows and just keeps your eyeshadow staying crease free for a long time. Long lasting eyeshadow base. Yeah, it's a good one. Day number 9 up the top here. There's lots of Urban Decay in this calendar. We have got Stay Naked, a correcting concealer, lasts up to 24-hour wear, and this is in light neutral yellow. This is a little bit dodgy, as I mentioned in another video. I can't remember what it was. What unboxing did I do? I think it was the Rimmel Advent Calendar. Things like concealer, foundations, eyebrow pencils, face powders. Not everyone's going to be that shade. So it is a bit of a dodgy one to actually put in an Advent Calendar. But yeah, I never tried this one. I remember when it came out, but I never tried it. Actually, that's all right. For me, anyway. Yeah, no, that's okay. It's light, natural with yellow undertone. But no, that's blended in really nicely, actually. Yeah, no, that's fine. For me, whoo, perfect for me, but if you've got a different skin tone to me, then you're going to be stuffed. Day number 10 here. This is Tromborg. It's a Scandinavian mood lip gloss. Oh. I haven't heard of that. It's a lip gloss beige. That looks really nice, actually. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Just a subtle hint of a tint there. A nice, a really gorgeous nude. I really like that. Day number 11 down the bottom here. We have got a nail polish, OPI. This is Infinite Shine 2, long wear lacquer, and it's in shade Samoan Sand. So it's literally a beige colour. Yeah, it's not really my sort of colour. Obviously I have my nails done in a salon, but I do, as you probably already know, I do like nail polishes. I do keep them for my toes, but this is a little on the boring side for me. OPI is a good brand, but the colour is not for me. Day number 12 down here. We got Victoria's Secret. This is Wild Nectar. What are you? I'll take the wrapper off. It'll tell me there. It's a flavoured lip gloss. Woo! Oh, that's lovely. It literally smells like red wine. Well, it says flavoured. That's fine. You can definitely lick that. It doesn't taste of wine. It smells of wine. It tastes more like sweets. That's a little bit unusual, isn't it? So we've got a flavoured lip gloss by Victoria's Secret. Day number 13 at the top here. We've got Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is a brow powder duo, and it's in shade Caramel. I do love this brand. Packaging is very smart, isn't it? So that's what it looks like there. Let's try. So you've got a darker one, and then a more warmer toned one. Now that's perfect for me. As I mentioned previously, we haven't all got the same eyebrow shades, have we? So no, I'm happy with it, but I know some of you might not be. Day number 14 up here. We've got another nail polish. This is by OPI again. Nail lacquer. Ooh, stay upright. Oh, this is pretty. I like this one. Got myself into a Jambala. It's more of a peachy colour, like a coral colour. Now that is really pretty. I like that. So yeah, I'll definitely keep that one. Day number 15 down here. And we got Kylie Skin again by Kylie Jenner. This is a face moisturiser, and there's 15 mils there. Here. The only thing I've ever tried from Kylie Jenner is her lip kit. I bought it a couple of months ago on Lookfantastic website. I used my code and I got a good discount when it was first launched, and yeah, I love the colour, I love the moussey formula, I like the pencil, but it just didn't stay put. It came off super easy, so yeah, I wasn't that impressed. This feels gorgeous though. This does feel really nice. No, fragrance free. Gosh, it does feel really nice on the skin. So this is a face moisturiser. Doesn't say anything else on the back there. So there's that. Day number 16 here. We've got a mascara. This is from L'Oreal. Extra Black, 24-hour volume. And this is Mega Volume Collagen 24-hour. I think I've said that right. A really big wand. It looks like there's a lot of product on there, which is good. So yeah, Mega Volume. I haven't tried this one. Day number 17 over here. And I got a nail file. And it's in its own little case. It's by Tweezerman. Look. It's in its own little case. This is super cute. And the fact you got a little case. I haven't seen that before. Day number 18 over here. I've never seen a little one of these in this packaging. This, the mini makeup eraser, removes your makeup with just water. So the makeup eraser cloth came out a couple of years ago. I've got them downstairs. I've got quite a few of these. They're really good. But no, I like the little mini one. This is really small. Good for doing eye makeup possibly. But if you've got a full face of makeup, then no, you need a bigger one. Got a little mini one. Day number 19. Oh, we got Fresh. Is this? Yeah, Fresh Cosmetics. This is Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment. This is full size. There. What's it like? Yeah. It's a lip balm. Do they smell? No, not really. It's a lip transforming treatment that's proven to instantly replenish dry lips, hydrate for 24 hours, and boost volume for fuller, healthier looking lips. So yes, we've got a lip treatment there from Fresh. Day number 20 down here. Oh, we got L'Occitane. This is the lemon one, the lemon and lime one. This is Vervine. It's a shower gel, and there's 70 mils here. I had a full size one of these. I think it was in a Marks and Spencer's beauty box. And oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Doesn't say on the bottle, but I'm sure it's like the lemon and lime one. Yeah, I've got to put it on my hand to smell it because I love it. Oh, there. You can't see it. It's a shower gel, but yeah, it is. Yeah, it is definitely that. Oh, it's so nice. It's so, so nice. Yeah, that's a handy little travel size. Yeah, I love that. Day 21. And we've got another L'Occitane product. And this time it's a hand cream. It's a hand and nail cream in almond. And there's 30 mils there. This is gorgeous. They do really lovely hand creams. So the almond range, as you can imagine, it smells of almonds. Just reminds me of marzipan. There. Yeah. It's a really nice smell, I like it. So we got a L'Occitane hand cream. Day 22. I thought there wasn't anything in there then, but no. There's little tweezers, but they've stuck it, hold on, they've stuck it to the back so that it doesn't shake around. Again, comes in its little pot. These are by Tweezerman. I do love the tweezers. Yeah, nice and sharp. Yeah, no, I like that. It's got some tweezers. Day 23 at the top here. It's starting to wreck the advent calendar now. What have we got here? Oh, another Victoria's Secrets product. This is very voluptuous lip plumper in baby pink. Outrageously full lips, incredibly sensual, which are a supermodel's signature look, apparently. Twist it up. Oh, okay. I was thinking baby pink. Oh, not a shade I would wear, but no, it's literally sort of virtually clear. It's definitely more pink now. I think it's just because I first opened it. Can you see there? It's like a pink shimmery gloss. So yeah, so it's a lip plumper. It hasn't got that really strong sort of deep heat smell that you sometimes get with lip plumpers. I think that would be quite nice as a lipstick topper on top of my lips. So there's that. Last door of the advent calendar, day number 24. And we have got an eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay. Urban Decay Basics. It's the Basic 2 palette. And look. All matte shades. Just to create a really nice sort of neutral, smoky look. I love this palette. I really do love it. This one is my favourite. Well, those two are my favourites. And this one on the end is fab as an all over colour. I'll do you some swatches. Hopefully you can see there. The pale ones you're not going to see very well. But Urban Decay, you know, they have amazing eyeshadows. The Naked palettes were so popular. And yeah, this is a really good basic palette to have in your collection. No, I'm really chuffed that I got it. So yeah, so there you go. That is day number 25. 24. It's not a 25-day advent calendar. So the Hogies Beauty Advent Calendar retails for £60. But if you sign up to their website, you're able to get 10% off. So you're able to get it for £54. It's free shipping as well. And it has a value of around £300. I really like it. For £54, I am really impressed with it. Yeah, you know, you're seeing it's more older brands maybe. I just can't help thinking it's if TK Maxx ever did an advent calendar, this is what they would produce. It's the products that I see in my local TK Maxx. Nothing wrong with it. You know it could be discontinued. You know that the packaging might be a bit dented. And some products are a little bit old. As we know, cosmetics do have a shelf life. There's usually a barcode on the more well-known products, so you're able to check that. If it's unopened, hasn't been used, then yeah, then it's fine. Skincare on the other hand, yeah, you have to be a little bit careful with that. Love the Urban Decay products. I was a huge Urban Decay fan for many years, and yeah, as I say, I'm still wearing their lipsticks to this day. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think? Have you heard of Hogies before? Did you go out and get this advent calendar for yourself? Or after you've seen it, are you going to get one? Or are you thinking, nah, do you know what, Claire, it's not for me? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.